All right, we got one here that we already installed, and they were out here talking with us and everything, so I didn't record anything, but I'm just gonna go over what I got now. We have, matter of fact, I can open this up and show what I have in here. Let's see here. This is a double, one feeding two locations. We got a router here that's feeding the RV right behind. Then we got this power PoE that's feeding another box with just a cube in it. This one here is feeding the CPE, the CPE. And show you where the CPE is, and the other air cube that's feeding the other RV. We come down here. The wires run right down the fence here. We've got an air cube right in here that's feeding the RV right here behind, which is the main one that has the account, and they just sharing it with the one over there. We just have an air cube in here. We had to use the this is the wire that I use just to program it and be sure everything's working, so I don't need that in there. But that's all it takes. Split the wires, 4 of them for the PoE and 4 for data. And do not turn on the PoE here, because it don't need to send out PoE out, it just needs to send in the data. So we split the wires, which I have a video of that on the channel, how you split the wires. And that's all that takes. And that's, let's see, get this lock out and get this put on. Tight spot up in there, and plus I'm not left-handed. Oh, there we go, got it thread. We got that all locked up, and the CPE is right up here, right on this, out of sight, out of mind, behind the RV where they really don't ever go, and it's working great. Now I'll just roll this cord up, get my laptop up, and they are ready to go. That count is activated. Now I'll get all this up and get out of here. Thank you for watching, liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting, all that good stuff. I'll see you in the next one. It's getting hot out here.